Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And Happy New Year! This is the last lesson of the year. Cool. So let's jam a little Good Riddance by Green Day. Okay, let's have fun. It's been a great year. Thanks for all your support. And let's do it. I'm in standard tuning. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. Keep your pinky on the 3rd fret B string, so the D note. And then we're gonna move to C. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Keep your pinky on the 3rd fret B. And then D major. That note is there. I'm gonna show you the strumming and then the picking. Alright, so we got G major, C major, D major, and then we only need one more chord for the song. We got E minor. 1, 2. Alright, so it starts with this cool little thing there. That's picking 6, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're gonna start picking 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. Six, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. Actually, let's pick 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. Pick the same thing over the C, just starting on the A string. And then same thing starting on the D string. Go to the E minor, we can start strumming. E minor, D, C, G major. E minor, D, C, G. E minor to G. E minor to G. E minor and D. And back to strum or pick, whatever you want. E minor, D, C, G. E minor, D, C major to G. E minor to G. E minor to G. Sound of my life. song has 3 parts. It's got the first part, which is just G, C, D. G, C, D. And then the next part, let's call that pre-chorus. E minor, D, C, G. E minor, D, C, G. And the next part, E minor to G, E minor to G. And the last part, E minor and D, ta ma ma la. There's the first part. Second part, E minor D, C to G. E minor D, C to G. Third part, E minor G, E minor G, E minor and D. Awesome. Thanks guys for tuning in. Last lesson of the year. Great. Let's have a rocking year next year with a bunch of songs. Gonna try to make a video every day if I can. Sometimes I get busy, but let's see what happens. All right. Be careful. Be safe. See you next year.